LawnmowerTires.com has been in the tire business for over 17 years, and our lawn tire specialists want you to be as informed as possible when making your purchase. Today we'd like to tell you about a small equipment turf tire, the OTR Grassmaster. The OTR Grassmaster has a long-wearing, knobby tread that minimizes turf damage and soil compaction. This tire will give you stability and traction on soft surfaces while resisting cuts and punctures from debris. The Grassmaster also features a rim guard for wheel protection and is 4-ply. LawnmowerTires.com carries a wide variety of lawn and turf tires, as well as a selection of garden tractor tire chains. We offer top brands, reasonable pricing, and our warehouse, centrally located in the Midwest, provides the fastest shipping possible to our customers. Place your order before 3 p.m., and it ships out the same day. Our customer service team is here to help you, so please don't hesitate to call with questions.